So I got these at Target, so they are the Good and Gather company. And this one obviously is vegan Chipotle ranch with black beans. This one is ranch avocado with corn flaxseed chips. They make the cheese vegan. So it's kind of like those kits that you would get like at King Soopers and stuff with all the stuff made already in it. There is another one called vegan tangy Thai style curry with quinoa and chickpeas salad kit, so you can get that as well. I think that there's only 3, at least as of right now. Maybe different stores have different things. Also, they were $4.99 each, which isn't too bad for a salad, like if you do that for a lunch. And it looks like it's like really healthy. It has kale and stuff. This one is cabbage and broccoli, which is really good for you, you know, your greens. So I'm gonna pour it out and show you, but also I did notice on this one, the salad is 12 ounces and the dressing is 2.75, so it's a little bit bigger than this one. This one's only 10.25, and then the dressing is the same. I'm not gonna taste test them on camera, but I will taste them and then tell you what I think of each of them. And the Chipotle might be a little spicy, so we'll see what we think. Dude, is this even gonna fit in this freaking so big? Oh my god, you need like a bigger bowl. Okay, so you need a bigger bowl for the 12 ounce. Oh my god, that's like 2, honestly, this would be good enough for probably 2 people. So yes, it's freaking freezing. It gets really cold. Holy crap, that is really cold. So I usually like to do my toppings first, so then man, they give you like no cheese. 5 ounce of cheese. So if you have extra cheese, I would just put it on there. This is a lot of black beans, so they give you a crap load of black beans, but not a lot of cheese. All right, so let's smell it. I'm gonna smell it off camera. Don't. It smells a little spicy. It smells kind of actually like the French ⴑor like the French dressing. That's kind of actually what it smells like, and I do like that stuff, so. Yeah, it definitely looks interesting. Okay. Ugh. Still not right. One's too big. Almost too big for 2 bowls. I like chips this time. The flaxseed. So add a little crunch to your salad. So, and if it's brown, I probably wouldn't put it on here because it's probably bad. But that's cool. It's kind of like a paste. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of mix that up so it just kind of tastes better. Okay. And then I'll put I'll do this first. So this is the ranch. It doesn't look very much like ranch. It actually looks like Caesar dressing is ranch, right? Yeah, vegan ranch. It smells pretty good though. Looks like it's separating. Okay. So there's that. A little bit more on this one. And then the cheese that you rarely get. Alright, so that's kind of what it looks like. So there's the avocado, the chips, and yep. Just kind of mix it in. Alright, we'll give this a taste and we'll see what we think. So after tasting both of these, I will go with this one is my favorite. This one was okay, but I feel like the ratio was a little off because you just get too much salad, and that's why I think the fact that it's the 12 ounce and then you still get the same amount of dressing, but you don't get as much in this one. And also it could help because you get the avocado, so it just makes it a little bit more creamier. So but yeah, this one would win out of this one. I mean, of course you can try both, see what you think, but I would definitely, if you're gonna just try one, get this one. Tasted a lot better and the ratios are a lot better. Plus you get that nice crunch because you get the corn chips with flaxseed. Of course you can always add whatever you want to it, but if you need an easy to go, this one would be the best one. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and try them. Tell me what you think. Try the other one that I told you there is. See what you think of that one. I might try it at some point, maybe do a video over it. But if you've tried it, let me know. And thank you for watching. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.